Going on, we got Big Brother Mzansi season 6 Skaka. After Skaka, production team has been exposed, the housemates are being exposed. So let's get to start off today. You know the rest of the house is someone pays and welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. A happy Friday, happy 26. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. Without me wasting your time, let's get to start off today. So guys, yesterday Uliema, she said the voting lines are closed and the winner is me. After a few seconds, the Big Brother calls Uliema to the diary room, guys, and people are like, what is going on? Today, guys, Usavage, we know him, he's from season 5. I'm not remember if it's season 5 or season 4. He posted on his Instagram account, and this is what he has to say. So, because I support Thandeka, I can't attend the final watch party. Only previous housemates that are supporting L, meaning Liema, they're going to attend the final watch party, guys. So people are saying, what is going on the production team, guys? So again, yesterday, Uliema and production team, they were trending. People find out what Bazoza track, Uliema, she's on Bazoza track, so it's obvious Uliema, she's taking this one, guys. The people are saying, yo, last season we are tired. I also saw DJ Zinhle campaigning for Liam, but last year DJ Zinhle, when it comes to Sweet Guluva, she started early. This year it seems like Naya, she was forced to campaign for Liam because she can see Abu Sumize, Abu Sis. Now I do understand why DJ Zinhle, she's campaigning for Liam. Remember, Uliema, she's an artist, so obviously one day they might work together. Yo, guess now season 6. Honestly speaking, when it comes to season 7, we need to allow influencers and celebrities to do the campaigning for the housemate, because right now everything is confusing, guys. The people are campaigning, housemates are campaigning, you know, celebrities are campaigning. This year is just all over the place. If Liema wins the 2 million rand, it is fine, guys. We really have to accept at the end of the day, guys. But when it comes to Abu Q, they don't have an alliance. Abu DD, Abu Ashe could have won the 2 million rand, guys. He was very competitive, guys. He has won HOH 3 times. You can see with this person, he was trying his best, guys, but unfortunately it ended in tears for him. So guys, we don't know what's going on. We're gonna find out on Sunday. It is what it is. Tell me in the comment section, what do you think about this? Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Friday, happy 26. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. Bye.